Hey everyone, a tiny acorn, planted in the fertile ground of the stock market. Can it grow into a mighty oak of wealth? That's the question we're exploring today. Hook. You've probably heard of Acorn, the popular micro-investing app. It promises to help you grow your money, even if you only have a few spare dollars. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Acorn. Acorn's basic premise is simple. It automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorn would invest the remaining 75 cents. It's a painless way to start saving and investing. But is this passive approach enough to build significant wealth? Let's break down the key factors to consider. 1. Fees and expenses. Acorn charges a monthly fee, which can vary depending on your account type. While it might seem small, these fees can add up over time. It's essential to understand the exact costs involved and weigh them against the potential benefits. 2. Investment options. Acorn offers various investment portfolios, each with a different risk-return profile. While it provides a simple way to get started, it's important to understand your risk tolerance and choose a portfolio that aligns with your goals. 3. Diversification. Diversification is key to investing. Acorn's portfolios are designed to be diversified, but it's worth checking the specific holdings to ensure they align with your investment strategy. Consider adding other investments to your portfolio for even greater diversification. 4. Long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term game. Acorn's approach is well suited for those who are willing to invest consistently over many years. Quick gains might not be as likely, but the power of compound interest can work wonders over time. 5. Behavioral finance. One of Acorn's strengths is its ability to leverage behavioral finance. By making it easy to invest small amounts regularly, it helps overcome common behavioral biases like procrastination and loss aversion. 6. Alternative investment options. While Acorn is a convenient option, it's worth exploring other investment avenues. Consider investing in individual stocks, bonds, or ETFs directly. This can give you more control over your investments, but it also requires more knowledge and research. Case studies. Let's look at some real-life examples of people who have used Acorn to grow their wealth. We'll examine their experiences, strategies, and the results they achieved. This will give you a better idea of what's possible with Acorn. Conclusion. Does Acorn grow your money? The answer is, it depends. While it's a convenient and accessible way to start investing, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success with Acorn requires a long-term perspective, understanding the fees involved, and choosing the right investment options. Ultimately, the best way to grow your money is to develop a solid investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Acorn can be a valuable tool in your investment journey, but it's not the only option available. Call to action. If you're considering using Acorn, do your research, understand the fees, and choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.